All right, this was a memorable one. Getting to the subway in Zion National Park with 4 young kids. This was at the end of March of 2023, and Utah had a big winter that year, so there was a lot more snowpack than normal. And I remember when we to get our permits, the rangers told me that there would be some swims that were, up to chest height. So we were a little bit hesitant to do it, but we said, we'll go as far as we can. If it gets too crazy, we'll turn back. When we got to the trailhead, everyone else that was doing the hike was in full wetsuits, and they saw us and our 4 young kids and looked at us like we were absolutely insane. But we lucked out. We met a really nice guy named Anthony who was doing the hike for the first time, and he decided he wanted to do the trek with us, and he helped me as I got the kids across the water, 50 or 60 times on this hike, which is what it's required. So thank you, Anthony. If you ever see this video, you're the man. I think it's a pretty rare thing to see the subway like we did, with these huge icicles just lining the entire area. It was just a really special sight to see. The water was definitely freezing, but once we got back out into the sun, it wasn't too bad for the hike back. And bonus was getting to see some dinosaur tracks. The kids loved that. So if you're up for an all-day adventure, this could be the one for you.